Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to take you through an upcoming AWS training where you get opportunity to learn AWS Cloud Fundamentals in just 3 hours for free. You can see the link to this event in my browser, which I'll be posting in the video description as well. This training is going to be delivered by AWS technical instructors on 8th of June and is free to attend. This event will basically cover 5 foundational modules, which we will look at in a minute. And you'll get opportunity to have a live Q&A with experts. You'll get a certificate of attendance as well, which is added advantage on top of the free training that you are getting. Now, this event is happening basically in English, Japanese, and Korean. So you can choose the session which best suits you in terms of language and timing as well. As you can see on my screen, there are multiple sessions happening in different time zones. If you are from Australian region, you have three timings basically to attend from based on your convenience. Similarly, there are sessions for Indonesia, Pakistan, India, Korea, and Japan as well. When you click on Korea and Japan, you can see that the sessions are in the regional language, whereas the sessions which are happening for Australia or Asia, they are mostly in English. So why you should attend this session? This session, as per AWS, is ideal for beginners with no prior cloud knowledge, and as well as IT managers or system engineers who are eager to learn about cloud computing and how to get started on AWS cloud. So going to the agenda, as I said, there will be 5 modules. The first one is going to be Introduction to AWS, which is going to cover the basics around what is cloud and what are the advantages of cloud computing and the different type of cloud deployment models. The second module will be around some of the widely used AWS services, which includes compute, storage, and database. Then the next one would be around some more AWS services, which covers networking and security. Then the fourth session would be around innovation with AWS, which will cover things around machine learning and IoT as well. And the final one would be the closing remarks where they'll go through the course summary. So once you are ready to, once you have chosen which session you want to attend, like let's say I want to attend something which is in Australia region, I'll select the Australia region and then click register now. So as soon as you click on register now, there will be a form which will load for you, a registration form where you'll have to input your contact information. This is pretty straightforward. Contact information, and you'll have to tell them a bit about you, that what is the interest basically. Is it the personal or is it business? And then you'll have to provide some of your company information, as most of the fields that are given here are mandatory. At the bottom, you have to specify what is the level of AWS usage that you do in your day-to-day work, whether it's like you do not use AWS today or you run a production workload and so on. And then there is a use case, that what is the use case for you currently. These are just generic questions. They don't really impact your registration. So if you are not sure about what you should be choosing here, then you can just put any option, because this is a mandatory field, but it doesn't impact your registration. And then you just need to provide your email ID and create a password, because you'll use this account to attend the training. So once you have filled all the information and done a CAPTCHA check, you just click register. I have already registered for the event, so I'm not going to register again. But once you have registered, you will get a confirmation like the one that is on your screen, that your registration is complete and you can join them on 8th of June for this training. You will also get a confirmation email like the one that you can see on your screen now once you have done the successful registration. And in the email, you'll also see the calendar invites, which you can add to your calendar so you don't forget on when the event is happening, because it is still almost 13 or 14 days to go. So yeah, you can add the invite in your calendar so you are informed. And when it is time to join, you just click on login, and yeah, you should be able to log in using the user ID and password that you created, that you entered when you were doing the registration. So folks, that's all about this event that I wanted to pass on to you. If you have any queries regarding the registration or you face any issues, please post them in the comment section and I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. If you have liked the content, then like the video and share it in your network as well, so the others get benefited from it. I'll see you in the next one.